Just run the .drfx file and accept the installation. You will find the effect in the Effects panel, Toolbox, Effects, PixFix. Double-click on the effect after selecting the clip or simply drag and drop it. The Show Timeline function enables the timeline display in the viewer, showing which part of the video is being used, especially useful with freeze mode. It also has a speed mode that shows speed changes. White areas indicate high-speed sections. A little later, we will look at what freeze mode is. You can adjust the brightness of this graph for better visibility. Freeze button locks the in and out points of your clip. After freezing, trimming the clip changes its speed instead of cutting it. After freezing, you can manually adjust the in and out points or use the buttons. Scissors icon automatically trims the video as shown on the timeline. Film strip icon sets the global in and out points using the entire clip. Next, choose one of 6 animation presets. You can customize each preset manually with anim curves for a unique result. Below the anim curves graph, there are 2 checkboxes. Boomerang creates a backward bounce effect. Reverse plays the video in reverse. Below that is the frame interpolation switch. Nearest uses existing frames, ideal for highly sped up videos, and is the least resource intensive. Blend blends frames together, optimal for most scenarios. Flow interpolates frames, great for strong slow motion effects when the video is too short. This is the most demanding mode. The Enable Motion Blur button activates motion blur. The type of blur depends on the chosen interpolation mode. This effect also increases render time but delivers excellent results. On the effects page, you'll find additional effects that are speed dependent. The faster the animation, the stronger the effect. You can adjust each effect individually or use the Amount Master slider to control all effects at once. On the Transform page, you'll find simple transformation settings, handy for quick cropping, as the standard transformation settings on the video page won't work with this effect.